It's your girl Spellerella, and I'm back at school. I'm trying to find my classroom. I have music class right now, so I'm looking for the classroom filled with musical instruments. Let's try this one. Paint? Canvases? Clay? This looks like the art room. How about this one? Costumes? Props? Puppets? This is the drama room. Oh, this door has a music note on it. I have a good feeling about this room. Musical instruments! We found it, Super Spellers! No one's here yet. I'll just take a seat and wait. I'm glad I'm going to be learning about musical instruments because I don't even know the names of most of them. Huh? I may not know the names of instruments, but I do know that the word guitar needs a U in it. I'll go fix that. Whoa! Oh no! What a disaster! I knocked all the letters off the shelf. Oh no! I better fix this mess before class starts. I'm gonna need your help, Super Spellers. Artig? What musical instrument can we make if I add the missing U and move the letters around? How about the word guitar? G-U-I-T-A-R. Guitar. Merds? Do you see an instrument that we can make with these mixed up letters? Tell me if you know it, Super Spellers. Yeah! Drums! Yes! Drums! D-R-U-M-S. There's one more we have to fix. Two left? That's a tricky one. Okay, well, if I move this letter over here and maybe this one over here. F-L-U-T and the magic E that makes the U say its name. There! Flute! We did it! We fixed all the words. Yay! But I don't know where they go.
Uh-oh.
Ah! The bell! The class is coming! Oh, I'll just put these words anywhere. There we go. Hello, students. Welcome to music class. I'm your teacher, Miss Melody. In this class, we get to play around with musical instruments. Yay! First, we're gonna learn to play the drums. Everybody, go look for the word drums on the shelf and pick that instrument. You can play with it while I write some music notes on the board. What? Oh, those aren't drums. Oh no! The words are all mixed up. They don't match the instruments anymore. Does anybody know what happened here? I do, Miss Melody. So I came into class early and I noticed the word guitar was missing the letter U, so I got up to fix it, but then I slipped on a flute and all the letters fell. And I fixed the words, but I don't know my musical instruments yet, so I just put them back randomly and now everything's mixed up. Wow, that was a lot of information right there. Well, Spellerella, accidents happen sometimes. The important thing is that you make it right again. I'll say the name of an instrument and play the sound that it makes. You correct the labels. Okay, Miss Melody, that plan is music to my ears. Music. Just listen to the sound, Spellerella. Yes, ma'am. These are drums. Is this it? No, that doesn't sound right.
Nope.
How about this one? the word drums is in the right place now. Great. Now listen to this one. This is the sound of a guitar. Oh, I just played that instrument. Here's the guitar. One more, Spellerella. Listen carefully. This is the sound a flute makes. Well, there's only one instrument left, so this must be the flute. Excellent, Spellerella. All the words match the correct instruments now. Now we can all play a song together. Ready, class? 1, 2, 3.
She'll take you from A to Z and all the letters in between. You'll get a word of a day that you'll learn while you play. You'll have so much fun, just let me tell ya, when you're hanging out with Spellerella.
That was so much fun! Thank you so much for helping me in this musical mix-up, Super Spellers. You keep on spelling, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Now for art class. Hey, wait a minute! I see a spelling mistake on that sign. I'll just go fix it.